Hi guys, for today's video, I will show you how to create bootable flash drive. First, insert the USB to the computer. When you already put the USB, now go to Rufus and right click it and open it. Second, go to boot selection and click select and find the Windows 10 Pro. Next, go to file system and go to NTFS. After you pick the NTFS, go and start the process. Wait the loading until it's 100%. As you can see, it's already done. Now close the tab. And that's all how to make an installer. Bye bye.